Okay, real quick, we're gonna go over how the AN fittings work for all of my tanks. All of the BMW tanks have a 1/4 inch AN fitting, and we're going to start converting all of the tanks, if they're running a bulkhead fitting drilled into the main tank, to 1/4 inch, but the two sizes we use are 4 AN and 6 AN. 4 AN uses a 1/4 inch fuel line, 6 AN uses a 5/16 fuel line. You can see that might actually be 5/16 right there. The difference in them is pretty minimal. The flow difference is pretty negligible, which is why we're gonna start moving everything to 4 AN. You might also see what's called a push lock fitting, which looks just like this. Push lock, basically, we stuff the hose. I'll use this guy because once I put it on, it's not coming back off unless I cut it. You see how tight the fit is. You just stuff it on past the barbs. See the barbs there? I'm not gonna push it all the way on. A little bit of Vaseline helps. You do not need to have a hose clamp on these. It's always a good idea, at least throw a zip tie on it. But for an AN fitting, you'll see a couple different types. I have 45s and 90s, and a straight fitting. So this is a 90. You see, this is a 45. This is actually a push lock, but it's a 45 AN fitting. Here are our 90 fittings. These are really simple. You unscrew the larger looking nut, thread it on quite a bit, right? So you've got this barb that sticks out, our hose. If you look in here, there's actually a lip that you need to push the hose past. All you do is push it all the way in. Now, if you look in here, you can see the hose is seated all the way up to the threads. And you take this guy here with our barb. This is where a little bit of Vaseline, petroleum jelly, it'll break down in the gasoline. It won't affect anything in your bike, but you put a little bit of Vaseline on that and just thread it in. You've got to push them together until it starts to catch. And the hose might turn as you turn it in, which is fine. And then you get your wrenches on here and turn it until this seats all the way down.